Okay, I'm back. I had to take a break. My freaking drill died, and there's the frame. I need to finish the back. I need to put some screws in the back. There's the inside. But up there, I need to secure it because it's not secured right now. So, but I got the frame in finally. Yay! It's another bathroom's framed in. This is the doorway. That's why there's a wide gap right here, because this is where the door is going to be. And you can see I marked it. Pretty much all the spots in here are marked. Been pretty on point or everywhere I marked. Toilet there, sink here, shower or tub. I haven't really decided which one it's going to be. Most likely it's going to be a shower, but I'm playing with the idea. And this is where I put the ladder, because I know it says stairs, but I end up making a ladder because I thought it would be more simple. So I didn't want to pay those crazy prices. And then actually right here, so those are marks. 3, the steps, how I was going to make the steps. So 5, 6, 7. 7 is up there. There it goes. And then up there to the loft. But I didn't do the steps. I ended up doing the ladder instead. But the ladder is precisely on the marking. So so far so good. I'm doing well. I'm doing well with the build. All right. So thanks for watching. Next time, please subscribe, like the video. No thumbs down. Stop playing. Stop playing with me. All right. Bye.